Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a healthy green smoothie to help us get over those holiday meals we may have partaken a little too much in. We're starting out with some frozen mango, frozen banana, fresh spinach, some ground flaxseed, and some cold water. You could sub some juice if you like, or even plant milk. We're going to add a little bit of sweetener, maple syrup. You could also use agave syrup. And grab your high-speed blender. Let's drop in all of the ingredients. We've got our frozen banana. I'm grabbing a great big giant handful of spinach. You can use other greens if you like. About 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed is all we'll need. Give us some healthy fats. And 1 cup of frozen fruit. I have mango. To keep your smoothie green, use pineapple or peaches instead if you like. And about a teaspoon of maple syrup. Optionally, you can add in some apple. It adds some great fiber to your smoothie. I chopped up half of an apple here and added it to the smoothie. And then my cup of cold water. Again, you could substitute any light colored juice such as apple, white grape, or pineapple. We're gonna snap on our lid and get to blending. Set your blender to your smoothie button if you have one. If you have just a regular blender, you may just have to blend it more than once. You'll notice that my fruit gets a little bit stuck in here, and I'm just going to grab that poker, whatever you call it, and I'm going to stick it down in there and jab my fruit around just to get it a little more blended. In the end, you'll see I could have done it some more, but it still tasted great the way it was. Our blender is almost done. We see that flashing blue light, and we're ready to give it a taste test. Green smoothies are great to fill you up. They add fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And it's just great to have one of those to help you whenever you have some cravings for something sweet. You're going to get lots and lots of nutrition for this tall glass of green, cool deliciousness. Let's give it a taste test. Here we go. And here are some optional add-ins that you can try. Whatever your taste, every smoothie doesn't have to be exactly the same. If you like this, please subscribe. Have a great week.